So corn stover is the above ground residue after you harvest the corn plant. You can see you've got pieces of cob, you have, you know, exterior pieces of the stalk, you have some of this spongy kind of pith material that's in the center of the stalk. Corn happens to be the most abundant crop grown in the United States, and so it's a good model system, but it's not the only model system. We could do this from sawdust, we could do it from wheat straw, we could do it from any of these other fibrous fibrous plant materials. You know, converting biomass to ethanol as a liquid transportation fuel, it's analogous to brewing. We're basically liquefying the sugars out of the biomass. We've got a sugar solution, we're applying a fermentative microorganism and fermenting it to ethanol. Cellulose is the major carbon source on our planet. Okay, it's huge. This is the big renewable resource. So the opportunity to get much higher yields, convert that cellulosic resource to its underlying sugar, if you will, component with enzymes getting very high yields. That's really the big opportunity. In about the year 2000, 1999 to 2000, the estimated cost of using a cellulase enzyme at the levels that we believe we need to use it was over $1 a gallon. It was several dollars a gallon, more like $5 a gallon for a single gallon of ethanol. Well, ethanol sells for $1.20 to $1.40 a gallon, so obviously you can't put $5 in to get $1.20 out. The enzymes are now somewhere in the, under 25 cents a gallon. Maybe 15, 25 cents a gallon, somewhere in that. Since there isn't an actual process out there, it's a little bit of a guesstimate what that exact cost is. But nonetheless, you can see from many dollars to tens of cents. Biomass is part of the energy equation. It's not the whole answer. It's just part of the equation.
We can look at biofuels, and so we can start to track that whole opportunity as a part of the solar mix. And then moving into the photovoltaics, I think what we want in photovoltaics is probably very inexpensive, very lightweight, probably amorphous collectors that are deployed at very large scales, square miles at a time.